Hello guys, this week I'm making this wonderful mango pie. So this is perfect dessert for summer, and the best part is no baked. Let me show you. That's all guys. You can decorate it before or after you take it to the fridge, it really doesn't matter. Just make sure before you cut it to be very firm. And this time I used blueberries, extra mangoes, and blueberry jam that I already had in my fridge, but I feel like it tastes amazing with this mango recipe. So I hope you like it and make it. This is a super easy recipe, fresh and perfect for this season. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!